Hello friend, my name is Rin. Today I'm talking about Thunderstorm in Peppa Pig. Peppa and George are playing picnics. Teddy and Peppa and George and Mr. Dinosaur are in the garden. Teddy is talking to Peppa. Mr. Dinosaur is talking to Teddy. When the thunderstorm is bang, Peppa Pig is scared. She ran to the house, and Mom and Daddy Pig called them. Peppa just go inside house quickly. Have you on your toys? George said, Mr. Dinosaur. And Daddy Pig said, you will save Mr. Dinosaur. And Peppa said, my teddy is at the garden. Don't worry, I will rescue them. It's not being too bad when the thunderstorm is going. Daddy Pig go to the garden and get Teddy. He ran to her very fast, and he said, and Peppa, George, Mom said to Teddy, poor Teddy. Yes, poor Teddy, said Peppa. She's cold and wet. Have someone cold and wet poor? Has someone poor too? Oh, sorry, Peppa. Oh, sorry, Daddy Pig. You are not warm too. And then they said the count, and then they said they had a game to count to 7. They count 1, 2, 3. Eat 3. 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eat 7. And on the rain is off. Then thunder too. Peppa Pig and her family go to the garden. It is all full of muddy. On everyone have on their boots, and then they jump in muddy puddle. Everyone loves muddy puddle.